come from Lahore, which is called the cultural capital of Pakistan. I grew up in a very religious family, and I'm sure some of my friends who are from Pakistan, Bangladesh, or India would know what does that mean, growing up in a religious family in Pakistan. My father owned a small shop in a city which was 400 kilometers away from Lahore again, very remote area. He wanted me, when I was in a school, he wanted me to work in that shop after school hours. So he would every day call me 2-3 hours that I'm supposed to spend on his shop. I was less interested in selling clothes on the shop, but was more interested in the designs and patterns and the colors that was there in the shop. And naturally, I realized that I'm kind of more interested in design and the possibility of the colors and the patterns that they have. I didn't knew that this is what it is fine art, whatever that is. I graduated in computer sciences, again carrying that whole confusion that I had. But I realized that that's not my job to actually design softwares or do any, things around that. I was more interested in arts, basically theater, visual arts, graphic design, and I started to do that at my own. I did that for 2 or 3 years. In the meantime, I was again, started to teach that because I was, kind of informally trained in that. One thing that I realized at that point that, half of us generation who actually comes from high schools to graduate, they actually lost it, like they formally trained in something else and they actually have no idea what they're going to do in their future lives. And at that point I thought at least we need to facilitate people to understand who they are, and young people who can make their decision on time. I earned this scholarship and studied arts management, eventually becoming the first graduate in Pakistan who studied arts management from DeVos Institute and Kennedy Center for the Performing Arts. I returned back and I founded Little Art. In the meantime, when I came back in Pakistan in 2007, I was offered a job with the government, with Pakistan National Council of the Arts. I refused that job because we were discussing about the government role and the initiatives. One of the things that I was considered in that refusal, that I don't actually want to deal with bureaucracy and deal with corruption. That was the two most important things for me. I was actually trying to invest my time in the whole creative process and the vision that I had to achieve that, rather than actually being busy dealing with all the people who create the mess in the government. So that was kind of a conscious decision. I founded Little Art, which is a small non-profit, and we started Lahore International Children's Film Festival. Very simple idea that let's bring films from all over the world and screen it to Pakistan, just to see the way, where the world is and, what kind of cultural similarities we had with other nations and cultures and everything. So that was the basic idea, and we started to work with children and young people then. Now, the organization was started again with a very, under, under $1,000 in 2007, and now it implies 10 people. One of the most important lessons that we had, that actually you need to work with people. The human resource is the most important in order to achieve goals and vision. When I had this belief that in 5 or 6 years we can build this organization who can work with 100,000 children in 6 cities across Pakistan, I only invested on building a very strong team who carries the same vision and can work with me to achieve that vision rather than me working alone. Thank you.